For this tutorial, I will show you how to import assignments from Digication Kora as well as set them as assignments in your Canvas course. First, with Digication Kora already added to your site, you will select it from the left-hand menu. From here, you will select Import Assignments. You can then select the assignments that have been shared with you or that you would like to import to another course that you already created one time before. You can select individual activities or select all. Select Next. Here you can make them available to students immediately, or you can do this later. You do have another step in Canvas, so it doesn't really matter at this point. So the assignments are importing. The screen will automatically change. Now here we see red dots at the bottom that need our attention. We can adjust this information all at one time. There's more work to be done on the Canvas side, so save all. So now that these activities, these assignments have been saved on the Digication side of our Canvas site. So now to make these assignments actual Canvas assignments, there's another couple of steps we need to do. First, we navigate to Modules. We're going to do what's called direct linking. We will create a new module. We will name this module whatever we like, but I will call it Digication Activities. I will add the module. The module successfully added at the bottom. Okay. From here, I will publish the module so you can see the progress as we go. Now I want to add all of my imported activities to Canvas assignments automatically. From here, I will select External Tool. When an external tool is selected, I will select Digication Kora. All of the assignments that were added and imported on Digication Kora will appear here. You can select all, or however many of the activities you would like to select. Okay. We select Add Item, or it automatically does it for us. Notice we have the icon of the pencil and paper. This is very important. This means that it will be linked to Canvas assignments. Okay, so we will publish all of these assignments just so you get an idea of what it's going to look like. Now, from here, we will go to Assignments, and we will see our new assignments that we created here. From here, we can adjust the due date. So Create Portfolio, I will edit, and then the due date will be August the 29th at 8 a.m. for this particular class. 8 a.m. Done. Save. And I will continue to do this with the activities that I've imported. So this is how you import activities from Digication Kora and make them assignments on Canvas.